Hey guys, it's Daniel from Walker, and today we want to take a look at the DS48-3 side discharge deck. Hey, before we dive in, make sure you click on subscribe and turn on your notifications. That way, every time we put out a video, you don't miss a thing. So the DS48-3 side discharge is the latest deck from Walker Manufacturing. It sits perfectly in that intersection between high quality, beautiful cut mowing and seasonal versatility that the Walker mower is known for. So the DS48-3 is a belt drive deck. This provides exceptionally smooth and quiet operation. The pulley system features dampened idlers and tensioners with precise blade operation. And because it's a belt drive deck, it's extremely forgiving in rougher mowing conditions, where the belt allows the blades to slip instead of shear pins to break in the event that the blades contact the ground or hit debris. The DS48-3 has some really great features. First, we have this replaceable wear edge strip. If you haven't seen the replaceable wear edges on newer Walker mower decks, make sure you click on the video above and you can learn all about it. It also has a pre-installed lift assist bar. This makes tilting the deck up or lifting it up super easy for the times that you need to get underneath and clean things out. The DS48-3 also has an optional mulch kit. The kit includes baffles and mulch blades. Installation of the baffles is super easy. They slip right into the prefabricated holes and you use the hand-tightened knobs to hold it in place. There's not any tools needed. The DS48-3 is also designed with compatibility for the Accelerator side mount grass catcher in mind. You can see it has a prefabricated hole and lip where the Accelerator grass catcher slips right into place. The optional counterweight also sits on this side of the deck and mounts right onto the deck handle. This allows for even operation as the grass catcher fills up with grass. MSRP on the DS48-3 is actually 15% less than the previous version of the 48-inch side discharge deck. This makes it the perfect choice for an operator who's looking for a single deck to handle any mowing conditions, and it pairs perfectly with the Walker Model B. Contact your local Walker dealer or visit walker.com to learn more about the DS48-3 or to request a demo and see it in action on your lawn.